Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 computer. First, open your Chrome browser or any other browser you use. Now search for download WhatsApp for PC. Now you can see the first page over here which leads to WhatsApp official website, but you need Microsoft account before you will be able to download, since it will connect to Microsoft Store, which we don't really want to do that. So now you can see another download which heads to firehorse.com. So click on the link over here and it would open up this page. Now I'll provide the link to this page in the video description, so you can just click on it and go directly to this page. Now you can see by the right, free download. So click on free download and it should start downloading. This is the latest version of WhatsApp, so there is nothing to be worried about. Now click on start download. Start download. Successfully downloaded. Now let's close this, close our browser, and then open our download folder. So this is our WhatsApp setup. Now let's run this. Double click on it. Now we have to connect our WhatsApp from our phone to our PC. So open WhatsApp on your phone and then click on this more options button up here. Click on linked devices and then click on link a device. Now click on use mobile data and then scan the code on your PC. So once you scan this code, it would connect WhatsApp from your phone to your PC and you'll be able to use WhatsApp on both your phone and PC. And that's all. So it will take few minutes to load chats from your phone to your PC, and you should be able to use WhatsApp on both your phone and PC at the same time. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.